Hey everyone, this is Arjun Rai, founder and CEO at HelloWolfie.com. Today, we're really excited about giving you a quick product update on the platform, which involves pulling in images from any URL. Now, we are working on other aspects of, giving you the ability to give previews of what a post will look like on Facebook and LinkedIn and things of that nature. We're also working on the ability to specify different versions of a given text. We call it the original text, and so it could be shorter for Twitter and TikTok. It could be longer for Facebook and LinkedIn, so on and so forth. So we're working on a couple of things, but the update we're going to give you today, and I'm going to be screen sharing in a couple of seconds, is the ability to take literally any URL and be able to paste it in and get images from the article, which I know was a little bit of a pain before because you have to go save the image and then upload it, but we made it super simple for you. So let's go ahead and share the screen and give you an update there. So here I am in HelloWolfie, HelloWolfie.com. And we're going to take a simple URL, which many of you have seen is the research that Adobe did a couple of months ago, about a year ago, that shows emojis tend to drive significant uplift in engagement. So, of course, if you paste in the URL into the text field here, we give you the ability to figure out what quotes you could be using from the article. You can go ahead and click on that, add to post. You can then give the ability to add hashtags and so on and so forth. This is all done using artificial intelligence so that you're not just sharing a URL and the title of the article. You're actually sharing something that's a little bit more insightful, something that your customer, your viewer of the whoever's viewing the post can actually walk away with as an insight. So in this case, obviously the statistic here. But what I'm going to show you today is the new capability. Now, many of you have been using the image uploader for a very long time. The idea is the purple dot will find images based on what you've entered as text. If I say, I love you and my coffee, it'll start finding love and coffee-related memes and images. If you click on the green dot, you have the ability to design your own graphic using any of the built-in editors such as Canva, Corello, Design Bold, and PicMonkey. But here's the new thing. The orange dot will allow you to literally add any URL, such as this one, which is, again, the same example I gave you earlier, which is the research from Adobe. And you can see I can not only download it, but I can also add it into the content here. Now, the other really cool thing is you have the ability to actually read the image right there. Now, many of you may remember we have the ability. Let's go to the library now. We have the ability in the library to import content using images and have the image be read. So, for example, if we want to go ahead and find images that are inspirational, let's say inspirational quote, there we go. If the image has words in it, like let's say, let's find an example here. Let's do this one. Today I will shine. If I have the ability now to have it not only transcribed into an actual post, literally word for word, it'll take the image and see what's in the image in terms of today I will shine and type it out for you. You also have the ability to add emojis, again, which drives significant uplift in engagement to the beginning and at the end of the post as well. So that is already built in. Now, if you go back to where we were, you also have the ability to transcribe it by clicking on this little T icon, and it'll give you the ability to transcribe it. Now, there is a little bit of text in here, but none of it is really meaningful, but we can go ahead and click on the T, and you can see it's starting to read it, and it's transcribing the image, the messages. As you can see here, there are a couple of messages in the image itself. It's transcribing it. If you add it, it'll get added to the post right here for you. You don't have to read the image and type it out it'll do it for you. Now, if I want hashtags related to that, of course, it's finding hashtags related to this. And then, of course, you can choose your social media account. You can choose when do you want to post it. You can also find emojis that are going to be relevant to this image. One of the other requests coming from you guys, the customers, is the ability to see the entire image in a bigger view. Well, that's what we did. As soon as you hover, you have the ability to see a bigger version of the image. And then as soon as you hover away, it goes back to normal. These are all emojis being recommended based on all of the text in here that I've inputted through the URL. So again, there's a lot of data science here, a lot of capabilities, but the beauty of it is really the beauty of the simplicity behind it. It's super easy to use. All I have to do is now schedule it to, say, my Twitter account. Since it's 250 characters, it's good to go. I can post it immediately, and we're good to go. And we can go ahead and post this immediately. So again, we're making it really, really simple for all of our small businesses to be able to compete against the unlimited marketing budgets with a categorically new product. And again, this is $49 a year at the moment. We are looking to increase the pricing for new customers. Anyone who signs up now is obviously at the $49 a year price point, but it's giving you a categorically new product, new type of product for the price of a cup of coffee. Now, we hope this gives you a sense of hope, especially with COVID and everything. There's a lot of data science that's in the platform, and there's a lot more capabilities coming in very soon. But if you have any feedback, if you have any thoughts on the integration, from the ability to take images from the URL and be able to import them automatically, let us know. One other thing that I will say is we also implemented the exact same capability for RSS feeds. So you can see here, this category, Joy's RSS feed, this was an example I did for a customer. You can see every single post that's coming through the RSS feed has an image, because it's automatically using the same technology I just showed you, and you have the ability to import images as well automatically, or I like to say automagically. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Let us know what else we can do for you, and until next time, toodaloo. Thanks so much. Bye.